Oh, I ain't know you was there. My bad. Welcome back with another video, man. And I'm telling you, I told y'all I was gonna keep bringing these hits back to back to back to back to back. And the only way it is to go up, man. Ain't no way going down. Hey, keep positive, stay positive, keep moving. Don't let nothing slow you down. Keep it moving. But anyway, we're back with another video, and today, man, I'm coming back with a lot of content. I know you see them, yeah. You see them. This is the new doors. They are here. The old panels, new panels. Hey, man, I'm telling you, today y'all in for a good video and some good stuff. So, hey, don't leave this video. Go get you a snack, get you something to drink, man, and come right back. I'm telling you, you do not want to miss it. Hey, let's get into it. Today, man, I'm going to start with the panels because y'all already see them. Yes, I did get my panels redone. My guy in Fayetteville looked out, and I'm going to show you everything because, simple fact, I feel like everybody want to show the ugly part, the good part, the sexy part, all that. Hey, I want to show it all. I want y'all to see everything. So my guy did redo my panels. I felt like he did them good, man. Look at them. All clean, smooth. They ready. They ready to be installed. I'm itching for them to be installed. And we did go with 110 8. This right here, I'm debating whether I want to go a tweeter or go a horn. My guy said I would be able to run a horn because it is in the right spot and it gives it enough room to clear. So hey, I'm telling you, man, these next videos, y'all gonna be in for some surprises for my Cadillac. But I take them up. Me and him talked. He told me I should paint them, so I take them up. I took them up, took all the other stuff I did off. I take them up. I painted them black. I painted them black, so now they drying. They actually drying. I'm gonna let them dry for probably about a day or two before I sit here and I gotta go to the junkyard and get another one of these because when I originally took the door panels off the first time, I broke the piece. I broke the piece in the back by accident, so I gotta go to the junkyard and get another one of those. I did vinyl it black because I thought it would give the door a little bit more little flash. But I am getting this right here redone. I'm thinking about taking it to getting an upholstery guy to do it and maybe put a little design or something, maybe put my name right here. Something just to make it my own. You feel what I'm saying? But yeah, man, these are the old panels, man. These are the old panels, and you can see what the old panel and the difference between the old panel and the new panel. I mean, this was my second time. I think I did a good job, but the guy definitely showed me a lot of where I went wrong. So I'm proud of the new panels. I'm happy with them. He actually gonna do my back doors. Shout out to my boy Jeff in Fayetteville, because hey, he got me in, he got me out, got me right, and I appreciate him. Also for the conversation he gave me with getting my business out there with me doing the Galaxy stars and cars. Yes, I do Galaxy stars and cars. For 500 stars, the price starts at 400. You have to deposit 200. Send me a deposit of 200. Then I order your kit, and when your kit comes in, I call you, let you know to bring the car. But it will be an extra $75 fee if I have to take your roof down to put to start on it. But if you bring the roof already to me, already out the car, I'll go ahead and get it in. It will just be a straight $400 fee. Anything over 500 stars, the price will go up. I mean, it's a lot of time, a lot of work. I mean, my hands be hurting. I mean, it's a lot behind this, man. But hey, anyway, we gonna get back to this video because this video, man, is so much to go on. I'm telling you, man, I'm feeling good. I'm pumping. Oh yeah, you see the sweater. You see the gear. I got a couple people that put a couple orders in for them. So hey, I'm telling you, man, this year, I don't see myself going up but up, and I want y'all to come with me because why? Hey, y'all, Deontay CTS Cadillac life, baby, and y'all part of it. So hey, I want y'all to come up with me. So hey, let's go out. I did get the car running yesterday. Shout out to my mechanic, man. I don't have a card on me. It's upstairs somewhere. I gotta find it. But man, shout out to him, man. His information will be in the descriptions down low. I will add that to it. But man, I'm telling you, this guy told me I called him. What was it? I dropped the car off to the Cadillac Dealership. I think it was Monday or Tuesday, and they told me that man, you don't even want to know what the Cadillac ship told me. They told me because my car has been basically nothing is ran like it's supposed to be ran because I got aftermarket everything in there. They telling me they don't even want to touch my car because of the simple fact that whoever did the wiring, they should be shot. It's crazy, man, but hey, like I said, they didn't want to do the job. They should have just told me they didn't want to do the job. The guy told me it was my wiring, which it wasn't my wiring. It was the fuel pump that was wired up wrong. And for y'all that is installing a fuel pump in a 03 Cadillac or anything around that model, if you're doing an aftermarket fuel pump, the way, okay, I'm gonna have to show you, but the way that the aftermarket and the fuel pump that originally goes to the car is wired up, it's two different ways. So if you're thinking about doing it by the ways of the video that's posted, you're not gonna get nowhere. I'm just gonna be honest. So today I'm gonna help you get somewhere because man, we watch videos and the whole time everybody kept saying, oh, it's your electrical problem, it's your electrical problem. Electrical this, electrical that. I'm like, how's that? I was just driving the car. I drove the car to pick up my son, and we were coming home, and right there by the mall, it's just the belt broke. So, okay, how could that make an electrical problem? So I'm like, okay, there's no way. So I called the mechanic, and he was like, man, there's no way. He was like, bro, if you give me one day, I'll have your car running. I ain't believe him because I have went to so many different shops and so many different people that told me the same thing. And what happened? Nobody had it running. I just heard crickets looking around like, what happened? But anyway, let's get out here and I'm gonna get to this video and I'm gonna show y'all what's going on. But hey, let's ride. White tee. I don't want to go up to it because some people be feeling funny about just walking up their car. So I'm telling you, man, I gotta get in contact with him and see if I can get a video of that thing. But yeah, man. So we did get the car running and everything, man. And I'm telling you, look at that, crank right up, crank right up. But we did get a noise. So the noise that, I'm gonna cut it off right quick. I just wanted to show you that it do run. But the noise that we got, somehow my timing belt tensioner or whatever it is, it's in here, but it went out. And the Cadillac, I called Mr. Cadillac, my mechanic called Mr. Cadillac himself, and he told me with these cars, they known for going out, and what's happening is it's just like a tensioner, but it's inside here, and it's hitting against it. So what me and my mechanic is gonna do is we're gonna take all this off, all this right here off, and we're gonna replace that. Should start, I think if I'm not mistaken, we're gonna start that Monday because it's supposed to snow Tuesday and Wednesday, so we're gonna try to hurry up and get it in and out Monday and go ahead and get it done. But let's get to this fuel pump, man. I'm telling you, man, hey, everybody that say they know how to work on cars, they don't. They don't. Don't let them lie to you. So this is the end product. It's not gonna say like this. The guy's actually gonna fix it for me because the other guy didn't come. So he's actually gonna fix it for me. But This is how it's supposed to be wired up. See, he had the black and the blue, the purple, like it was just all wired up wrong. I wish I had videos or pictures of the beginning how it was wired up, but it wasn't getting us nowhere. It wasn't getting nowhere. Not to mention the way he left my floor, but hey, that's for dealing with a shop. That's for dealing with these secondhand shops sometimes, secondhand mechanics. You gotta deal with it. So that was my fault. Gotta get this mug cleaned up. But hey, man, I definitely want to show y'all. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see them, but let's see. Let's see if we can see them. Let's see, can I cut them on? Let's see if I cut them on. Can I get y'all babies on for me? Can I get y'all to cut on for me? Can't get them to cut on right now. But that's probably because I ain't got them always hooked up like I need to have them hooked up. But yeah, man, definitely got that in the working, man. So today, man, I'm gonna get it put back together. Go ahead and get this wired to where it need to get wired, which is gonna get spiced into my cigarette lighter up in there. So that's the situation with that. The back window is getting fixed next week, so you will see a video of that, see the content of that. But hey, man, I'm telling you, horn coming off. You see, yeah. Telling you, man, this has been a long time coming. I'm telling you. If you got a Cadillac CTS and you don't know why it's not cranking, don't just junk it. Definitely forgot, man. I had so many guys try to talk me into selling my car to them. Oh man, you ain't gonna figure out why it won't crank. They never figure out why it won't crank. But the crazy thing about it is they be wanting to buy it for $1,000. And trying to figure out, my mechanic told me, like, man, bro, you crazy. You be crazy to sell your car for $1,000 and you only got 109,000 miles on it. The motor's still good, transmission's still good, everything's still running 100. Man, you be crazy. So what I am gonna do is put it back together, get it back moving. Hey, and you know, the only way is the ways to go up, bro. I'm telling you. Ain't no stopping it. Ain't no playing. I'm telling you. Let me see. I got my phone. Let me get my phone. But yeah, man. I'm telling you, man. It's with this car thing, man. You gotta have patience. That's the one thing with car game. You have to have patience. If you don't have patience, this game is not for you. It's always gonna be something to come up. It's always gonna be something that comes in your way or slows you down, or for something, man. I mean, things will never go your way. You might think they is, but they not gonna go your way. It's always something that's gonna just want to slow you down and get in your way a little bit. But you know me, man. I ain't letting nothing slow me down. I'm just running it over. You feel me? I'm just running it over today. But yeah, man. I'm telling you. Woo. Man, I don't know if it's just me, but I swear, that Tesla looks so, whew. Man, I don't know, man. It's just look at it.
Tesla. That shit. Sexy, bro. But yeah, man. But back to this though, because you know, oh, that white interior, man. White guts. Woo. She coming. She's getting back on the move.